Hello, my name is Ann Brown, and I wanted to talk to you all about the do's and don'ts of housebreaking a puppy. And first of all, you need to have preparations for the new puppy. You want to make sure you get a crate for the puppy, and also to make sure that you get some uh, inviting things for him or her, and you want to make sure that you put their favorite blanket or their favorite toy in there, and make sure that once you start with the process of housebreaking your puppy, after all that's been set in place, you want to stay nearby because you want to make sure that you get the puppy out when necessary to go outside so that when it's after he's had his feeding and his drink, you want to make sure that you take them out probably within 20 minutes or so. I'm thinking is what I did. And you want to make sure, no longer than that though, but you want to make sure that each time you go out, you use the same door because that way the confusion of going outside will be really hopefully easy enough for that puppy that they won't you know get so confused that they lose sight of what they're supposed to be doing. You can also put a bell on the door, which I can put pictures up of that. We have a bell that we can put up that we ring and we say it's the word for your puppy is either outside or potty or bathroom, just whatever you prefer to use as far as taking your dog outside so that they can learn to use the bathroom outside. But you must be consistent. Use that same word each time you go out. You want to praise and be a cheerleader for your puppy. Praise your puppy when you take them out, and you also want to hug them and give them treats. And I have some treats here that I can show you just a little example of what we would use, whatever you prefer. And also keep them on a regular schedule. When I say that, I mean to set an alarm at night, and that's mainly for you also, so that you can get up and take the puppy out. Once the puppy gets older, as it gets older, the time of taking the puppy out becomes longer. Like maybe you start out at an hour, and then you go to 2 hours, every 2 hours. But once the puppy is full grown, you don't want to go over no longer than 12 hours wait time because that's not good for them. So you want to make sure that you don't go over 12 hours. And also the bell, like I was mentioning, I'll show it to you real quick here. I've got it here, and this is what you will use. It's a bell with the ball, and they just hit it, and it makes the noise, or either you hit it and make the noise to let them know that it's time to go out. And that is my do's and don'ts of housebreaking a puppy. Thank you.